everyone. Hi. Happy Janmashtami to all of you. Hello, Mishika, Shriyanshi, Aruvi, Vanya, Abir, Divik, Myra, Katyayani. Myra has come for the first time. Welcome, Myra. Aruvi has come for the first time. Welcome, Aruvi. Harlav, hello. Ansh, hi. Hello, Saisha. Switch on your cameras quickly. I want to see your sweet little faces. Smiling. Everyone. Very good. How are you all doing? Are you doing good? Give me a thumbs up. Wow, lovely. Okay. And some children are wearing headbands of Shri Krishna Ji. Beautiful, lovely. How nice. Divik. Oh, Divik is showing me a matki. Lovely, Divik. That's so beautiful. Okay, there are more children coming. So we'll wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll start the story. Okay? All right, children. Thumbs up. All right. Yes, Shubh, I can see your matki. I can see Myra. That's lovely. That's so lovely. How many participants we have? 23. I think we should start the story. All right. So should we start the story? Are you ready for a story? All right. So first of all, keep everything aside and we are going to clap. Okay? All right, children? Are you ready for a story with me? A story with me, a story with me. Are you ready for a story with me? Welcome to the story house. Welcome to the story house. Come on, little children. Clap with me, clap with me, clap with me. Come on, little children, clap with me because you're at the story house. Come on, little children, sing with me, dance with me, laugh with me. Come on, little children, sing with me because you are at the story house. So, are you ready for a story with me? Yes. All right. Okay. So, this story is about the birth of Lord Krishna. Everyone knows that? Everyone knows that? We all know who is Lord Krishna. Have you seen a picture of Lord Krishna? Yes, you have? Okay. So, anybody knows who is a king? King kaun hota hai? Who is a king? Shriyanshi, you want to go? You want to say? Shriyanshi raised her hand. You want to say, darling? Okay. Hold on. Yes, Shriyanshi.
King is rule our country.
Okay. Do we have kings now? Do we have kings now? No. It used to happen long ago. Thank you, Shriyanshi. So, kings used to be long ago, long time ago. There is a place actually, Mathura. Has anybody been to Mathura? Has anybody been to Mathura? No, there is a beautiful temple of Lord Krishna over there, and you get very yummy, delicious pedas. They're yummy. Okay. So now in that place in Mathura, there ruled a king. His name was Kans. He was a very evil king, very wicked, very evil. Ha 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 ha! I am Kans. Everyone has to listen to me. You all have to obey me. I am invincible. No one can defeat me or destroy me. Ha 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 ha. So children, Kans was a very evil ruler. He was a very evil king, and everybody was troubled. Everybody was troubled because of him. Everybody was scared. Everybody, जितने भी लोग थे ना, सब उनसे बहुत डरते थे. And everybody used to pray to Lord Vishnu. Okay, everybody used to pray to Lord Vishnu. Please protect us. Please help us get rid of this king. Please protect us. And one day, Vishnuji appeared and he said, I shall descend on earth and I shall save you. Do not worry. You know what did he say? He said, I shall descend upon earth and save you all. Do not worry. Okay. So now, there was a sister. Kans had a sister. Okay, Kans had a sister. Her name was Devki. And he used to love his sister. He was a very wicked king, but अपनी sister से वो बहुत प्यार करता था. He used to love her like anything. And children, he got her married to Vasudev ji. उनके husband का नाम था Vasudev ji. What was the name of the sister? Devki ji. Everybody repeat with me. Devki ji. Yes, and her husband's name was Vasudev ji. Okay. तो कंस ने देवकी जी और वासुदेव जी की शादी करवा दी. दे गॉट मैरिड. अब जिस दिन शादी हुई, पता है क्या हुआ? वेट, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड. कैन यू लिसन? चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू हियर? The cloud started rumbling and there was thunder and lightning. Everywhere it was scary. And a voice came from the clouds and the voice said, the eighth child of Devki and Vasudev will kill you, Kans. Wait for the time to come. Oh, did you hear? Did you hear the thunder? Did you hear the thunder, children? Yeah. Yeah. So the eighth child of Devki and Vasudev will kill Kans. After listening to this, Kans got worried. And you know what he did? Should I tell you what he did? He put Devki and Vasudev in prison, in jail. Look at this. Can you see Devki and Vasudev? They are in jail. They are in prison. Yes, you can see. Yes, Parnika. Okay. So they were put in jail. And after some time, a little baby was born. But Kans came and said, I am going to take the baby. You shall not have it. And he took the baby. So sad, no? So sad, no? Yeah. Then the second baby was born. Then the third baby was born. 7 babies. Show me your fingers. 7, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 babies were born. And Kans, the wicked king, the evil king, took them all. He had no mercy. He knew no mercy. He took them all. But when the 8th child was born, 8th child, show me on your fingers. 8th child. Myra, are you understanding? Are you getting the story, Myra? Yes? Yes? Are you getting the story? Her love? Ditya, are you following the story? Avya, are you following the story, darling? Show me 8 fingers, Avya. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When the 8th baby was born, again who appeared? Vishnuji. He again appeared in the jail, in the prison. Here, in the prison, children. He appeared in the prison and he said, this child is going to kill Kans. And now you have to take this child to Gokul, where you have your friend Nand. You know, Vasudev ji had a friend Nand, and Nand ji used to live in Gokul. Gokul में रहते थे नंद जी. तो विष्णु जी ने अपीयर होके कहा कि इस बच्चे को आप नंद जी के यहाँ छोड़ आओ, गोकुल में. यमुना नदी को पार करके जाना है. You have to cross the Yamuna river and go that side to Gokul and leave this boy there. And उनकी एक बेटी हुई है, डॉटर, उसको आप ले आना, एक्सचेंज कर लेना बेबी. तो वासुदेव जी ने सोचा, अरे मैं तो हैंडकफ्ड हूं, उनके हाथ में रस्सी बंधी थी, वो जेल में थे, बाहर गार्ड्स थे, सब कुछ. उन्होंने सोचा ये कैसे पॉसिबल होगा. मगर विष्णु जी आए थे, विष्णु जी हैड अपीयर्ड. सो व्हाट ही डिड, he put the baby in a basket. He put the baby in a basket, children, like this. And he put the basket on his head. And he started moving. And it was a magical night. सब कुछ चमत्कार ही चमत्कार था. It was a magical night, children. उनके हाथ अपने आप खुल गए. उन जो प्रिजन में थे, वहां का जो दरवाजा था ना, ये वाला, ये अपने आप खुल गया. It opened on its own. And all the guards were fast asleep. All the guards were sleeping. And Vasudev ji took this basket and he kept it on his head and he started moving. Again, it was a night of thunder and lightning. There was rainstorm. There was rainstorm. Can you hear the rain, children? Rain. Can you hear the sound? Yes, you can hear the rain. There was rain, there was thunder, the clouds were rumbling, and there was lightning. It was a scary night. But Vasudev ji kept moving. But how was he to cross the river Yamuna? There was water, it was a deep river. How could he cross the river? You know, but then again, magic happened. It was a magical night. And river Yamuna split into two. River Yamuna दोनों तरफ से साइड में हो गई और उनके लिए एक रास्ता बन गया. There was a path. It was so magical, children. एक path बन गया. अब बारिश हो रही थी. It was raining. अब वासुदेव जी को लगा कि ये बास्केट में तो बेबी भीग जाएगा. श्री कृष्णा भीग जाएंगे वो तो मैजिकली विष्णु जी ने किसको भेजा? देखो, Sheshnag. It was a 10-headed snake, children. Sheshnag and he became the umbrella of the child. And the child did not get wet. Sheshnag became the umbrella. He saved Krishna from getting wet. And then he reached Gokul. Gokul में नंद जी, उनके जो फ्रेंड थे, उनकी वाइफ यशोदा जी, she was sleeping. और पास में एक छोटी सी बच्ची थी. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बच्ची को उठा लिया और कृष्ण जी को वहां छोड़ दिया. बच्चे को वहां पे, अपने बेबी को वहां पर छोड़ दिया, 8th चाइल्ड को. ओके. और उनकी डॉटर को उठा लिया. एंड ही वेंट बैक टू प्रिजन. याद है ना, देवकी जी प्रिजन में है. यू रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन? यू रिमेंबर? या देवकी जी इज स्टिल इन प्रिजन. So he went to the prison and everybody was sleeping. Everybody, the guards were still asleep. They were in deep slumber. And when he went and when he sat with that little girl, all of a sudden that girl started crying. You know how newborns cry? Choti choti patli si awaaz hoti hai na? How newborns cry? The newborn started crying. And magically, again, the guards woke up. The doors of the cell were locked again. There was magic again. अब तो वासुदेव जी को समझ में आ गया था कि ये जो मेरा बच्चा है, the 8th child, he is the avatar of God. He is divine. भगवान के अवतार है वो तो. अब कंस को पता चला तो कंस ने बोला, ha ha, eighth baby is born. I am going to kill this baby myself. And he came to the cell. वो प्रिजन में आए, जेल में, और उन्होंने वो छोटी बच्ची को समझा. उनको तो पता नहीं था ना कि उस बच्चे को वो गोकुल छोड़ आए हैं वासुदेव जी. तो उन्होंने बच्ची को समझा कि यही है इनकी बच्चा. उन्होंने उसको उठाने की कोशिश की, हार्म करने की कोशिश की. Again magic happened and that little girl turned into Durga Devi. Goddess Durga. That little girl became Goddess Durga. And she said, Kans, the eighth baby who will destroy you is born. And you will not be able to do anything about it. Your end is near. No one can save you now. So now, Kans started looking for Sri Krishna. He started looking for that baby everywhere. But he could not find him because he was in Gokul. And after saying this, Durga Devi vanished. She disappeared. And then, children, there was celebration in Gokul because who was born? Sri Krishna was born. Yashoda ji woke up and she saw the little baby and she thought, ye mera hi baby hai. And she loved her like anything, and there was celebration everywhere in Gokul. It was beautiful and magical, and that day is celebrated as Krishna Janmashtami, the birth of Lord Krishna.